strings louder.
Hey YouTube family, Magnificent here, and today we're going to be changing the trim here of the vehicle. So to show you, if you wanted to change the trim of your vehicle, give it a little bit more pizzazz here, how we do it. So if you want to start here, I was going to change this trim here. You're going to have to just take that off, and you're going to take off these, I think these are 7s. I'll verify, and you'll remove the actual module from this piece. It'll just slip off, and voila, I'll show you that shortly. For this piece, you want to go ahead and just at the bottom here, you'll see there's a little amount. You'll put something up, maybe the wedge through it. Your finger's fine. Just pull. These clips will come out, and you just literally pull these out as well. There's nothing really holding it. Just pull at the different anchors to up. See where these clips are? Those are the areas I'm gonna pull. I pulled from the side, and it made perfect sense here. So now I thought you had to take out the modules, but you really don't. I noticed that this has, you know, right here, if you look here, there is a screwdriver. So I'm just gonna release the screwdriver from it right here, right there, and it should just come out. So I'm gonna do that. All the screwdriver did was release this vent here, which you wanna do that anyway. So I'm gonna keep going. So it looks like what I'll be doing is I'm gonna go ahead and pop this out. To do so, you'll see just like this piece here, these clips, there's a little clip here. Use your fingernail to kind of release it there. Go to the opposite side. This one has 2 pieces, notice, and I'll point to it so you can make sure you're aware. This here, as well as this here. So you can use a screwdriver. Just be very gentle. I'm gonna wedge it in there, and just gonna try to sorry guys, I'm gonna need 2 hands on this one. This side here is out. See that? Ah, dang it. You're gonna push it up so the clip doesn't go back. So you're gonna hold that side up while you manhandle this side or woman handle that side, and you'll be done. I don't know, cup holder or whatever. So you just press that clip and take that out. So here you go. I thought that I'd be able to separate this thing. I might still. These are just clips here. So what I'm gonna do is, if it's possible, here I noticed I thought I had to mask this piece off, but I'm not going to. So to take out this piece, this piece, this piece, and this piece, and it'll just pop out. Now, easy way to do that, literally just get a needle nose pliers and just squeeze it. But I'm gonna see if I can do something a little different. You just gotta squeeze that. Yeah, I'm gonna have to get some needle nose on this bad boy. But this 2 side here, this side's all good. The old screwdriver, easy like I said. I'm gonna get this side and use the screwdriver to wedge this side. And while that's wedged, I'll literally use my finger to get the other side. Wedge that. Oh, got it. Just with one. Now this one. That side. Once you get them loose, they kind of come out pretty easily. So, voila. So now I can either paint, and what I'm gonna do actually is I'm gonna use a vinyl wrap. I'm gonna white vinyl wrap it and see what that looks like. I might paint it first, just so I don't have to go back if I don't like the vinyl. Wait a week, because you wanna wait a week for the paint fumes and chemicals to evaporate from the paint before you wrap it, because if you don't, you could get bubbles and all that. And so we'll see what's up. These ones are 7 mils. You can use a ratchet if you want, or you can use a wrench. Let me just stick it in here for now, actually. A wrench wouldn't work. You'll use really a drill. I'm gonna take these out real quick. These things are on clips here. And you're just gluing. I'm doing this for the first time, by the way. You just kind of get a hang of how things are put together. It's a combination of bolts, well as clips. So I'm missing one right here. So I noticed, see here, just again, this is just a FYI for folks. I was pulling and I noticed there was some resistance. You don't want to just keep going. You're gonna break stuff. It should just come out. I mean, yeah, there's some force, but just take it easy. It's better to look, you know, and see what's going on than break something and then you're in real trouble. See? Came out easy, right? Grab that screw before it commits suicide. There we go. And so here's the connections to it. What I like to do is keep the connection together. So I'm gonna do the same thing with this clip, this clip, this clip. I'm gonna take them out just like I did here. And I'll leave everything connected so that when it's time to put it back, bam, just gotta put it back. The less I have to touch the piece I just spent time modding, the better, especially when it comes to paint, because you want less hands on it. Yes, you're gonna be touching in the future, but the more time you give it to heal and to cure, the better for you. I've had the unfortunate experience to have to do things 3, 4, 5 times because it was perfect when it came out, but maybe I didn't give it enough time to cure, and then I ended up having to redo it or be stuck with the result of fingerprints on it or whatever else. So simply gonna do one of these. See, it just released it a little bit. Now it looks like that side's too much, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna flip it over, go to the opposite side. Now that I got that side, simply push down on the button area. See, I push down. See? And it's going down for me. So as I release this, I'm gonna push down here as well. And it just comes out. Do the same thing here. Go ahead and just, usually there's one clip that's left. Looks like it's going to find the clip here. What it looks like. It's this area right there. I'm gonna use a screwdriver to pull this up and then take it from there. So press this in, I think. Let's see if I can use my finger. No. Usually a clips like these, you have to get this clip off and then it goes. Usually these orange things, something like this, it's meant for security because these are things that maybe go off easy. See, there it is, see? You pop this off and now you can press this and it comes off. There it is, lock, unlock button. I reviewed it. And I think there's just the 2 little rivets, clips right there, if you'll see them. Just I got a screwdriver and I kind of got over those like this. I went in and I wedged it and those are released. I'm gonna release it here, here, here. Pretty much done. You notice that there's 2 brackets. One set here that I'm touching, and then there's another set inside of that area. See that? You don't want to go inside the second set. You want to go in between here. So this first set of brackets, you see that little clip right there? See if you can focus. That clip right there is what you're looking to overcome. So I'm gonna go ahead and just finish it off. Once you take one side and release one side pressure, like for example this one, and you're gonna find that when you go to this side, it'll pop back out. So you're gonna have to, when it's like so, you're gonna have to put your fingers on the side. So as I was had it like this, you have to put pressure on the side that you're already released so that it won't clip back. And then once I had one side done, I had to put pressure on both sides while I did the other. So I get a screwdriver, bam, it's already popped. Follow your finger around it. And voila, voila. Just try not to scratch. Is that? Just go to the edge corners. Like so. And let's see what happens here. So I got that. Got that. Got that. There it is. It's all just clips, is all it is. Clips. So I'm gonna pop this one out. And then I'm gonna take these off the same way. I took the other ones. Typically you'll see the clips that are holding it in. In this case, notice this, look at this. Let me see if you can see it better. I press, it moves. So I'll try to see if I can give you a better idea. So just gotta press that side, other side, and it comes out. Voila. So I'm gonna have to take off the connection and then